Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hats on Roblox. First of all, you just need to just open the roblox.com on your browser and just click on the menu and go to Avatar Editor. So if you are mobile, you just need to enable the desktop mode to access this roblox.com in the desktop mode. So now just go to head and body and go to here. So if I want to select multiple hairs, as you can see, I have selected one hair right now. If you want to select multiple hairs, what you need to do, you just need to right click on new hair that you want to wear also. Copy the link address, open a new tab, paste it over here, and just copy the asset ID of new hair. And open the Roblox avatar editor page again and scroll down and you will see here this option, advanced option. Just paste it over here, the new ID, and click on save and click on save again. Fine. After this, you can see that I have selected two hairs simultaneously. Now, if you want to select one more hair, you can do that. Right click on the new hair again, follow the same steps, open a new tab, copy, paste a new ID of the asset ID of the, just copy the asset ID of the new hair and copy here by pressing Ctrl C and open a new tab. Again, open the avatar editor and just scroll down and you will see an advanced tab, advanced link, and just paste it over here, the new ID, and just click on save. Click on save again. And as you can see, I saved two here simultaneously. Fine. So if you want to select more than two hairs or more than three hairs, guys, this trick won't work. Let me show you what it does. What does it say? Just copy the link address of new hair, paste it over here, copy the asset ID, go back to Roblox page, and again scroll down and click on this advanced and paste it over here again. And click on save and click on save, and as you can see, it says failed saving more. So basically it doesn't allow more than two hairs on Roblox, so you can't pair more than two hairs on Roblox simultaneously, but there is a trick you can try out, and this is a really amazing trick you can do. Just open a new tab, search for this BT Roblox, search for this keyword BT Roblox and just enter, and go to this page, this link, and there is an extension called BT Roblox, making Roblox better. So you can see that it has 4 million users already, and it has also got the justified rating as well. The install from here, you will find here the install button, but I already installed it. I just need to enable it in the background. So I can click on here to enable this background, enable this extension, or I can go to an extension management, and I just need to tap on this toggle button to enable it. As you can see, once you enable this BT Roblox extension in the background, just need to open the Roblox avatar editor, and now you just need to refresh your page, this page. And once you refresh your page, now you just need to go back to head and body, go to hairs, and now you just need to select as many hair you want. Now you can select as many hair you want. You can see that I can select. Fine, so this is how you can do it, guys. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Fine.